Welcome to Sweet Bay Lane. I'm Tracy and this is Little River. In this video, we are combining personalization with practicality. And the supplies are quite simple, as you'll see here, so let's go ahead and get started. Here you will pre-drill your holes ahead of time, and that'll be measuring to whatever handles you choose. Then you'll pick your base color that you're going to paint. I want my tray to be rustic looking, so I'm going to take 150 grit sandpaper and I'm just going to rough it up a little bit so the wood peeks through the paint. After the sanding, you'll just go ahead and clean off the dust from the spot where you're going to put your stencil. I'm going to put mine here in the corner, and it's a personalized stencil I made on my Silhouette machine, but you can use any stencil, and if you do purchase this kit, the stencil comes with it in your personalization, so that's sort of helpful. After sticking down your stencil, I like to just run a gift card or maybe a credit card over the stencil just to make it adhere a little bit better to the wood to prep it for the painting. The next step before we get to the exciting part of the painting, we're going to go ahead and remove the transfer tape. Okay, after removing the transfer tape, I like to go in on my projects with any stencil and do the base color. Once the stencil design is filled in with that base color, you'll let that dry completely, and then you'll come in with your contrasting color. Once the paint is slightly dry on my stencil design, I like to remove the stencil at this point. It actually keeps the paint from being removed with the stencil. If you let it dry completely, sometimes you can rip the paint up with the stencil. I'm so excited about this project. Anyway, after the stencil paint dries, I come in here, as you'll see, I'm coming in with a matte clear enamel by Rust-Oleum, and I'm going to give it a couple of coats. And while that's drying, I'm going to take my little puppy for a walk. Okay, we're back from our walk and the tray is completely dried. Now we just have to attach our handles, which now you'll see why those pre-drilled holes come in handy. What I love most about this design is it can be customized in any way. You can put any design on it, and it's very affordable to create. I had great fun creating this project with you today, and I hope it inspires you to do something amazing too.